Namaskaram.
Namaskaram. What if I days trip ആണ്? പോയാ.
Hello.
Hi.
Okay. Hi. Hello guys.
Hi.
My name is Dr. Shyamohan
My name is Dr. Anjana.
and welcome to
Shyamanjanam.
So guys, we are going on a trip
To Leh Ladakh.
and we are going by road on a bike.
From Kanyakumari to Kashmir.
And we are going to pack today. So we thought we'll get you guys also on it, so that if you are interested, if a couple is interested to go like this or by road, this will be useful for you.
Thank you. Let us start.
Guys, so these are the medicine bags, and this is the first aid, and these are some medicines that can be used. So this one we are planning to keep below in the luggage, so that this only it is not an emergency. But these guys, this is an emergency kit. So I'll just show you what all we have packed. Now please understand, these are medicines, and we are taking medicines that are suitable for us. For you, it might be different. For you, these medicines might not be useful. You have to go see a doctor who is near you, or your family doctor, and then take advice from him. This is a extra bag that we just kept, 15 liters bag. This is from Decathlon. So these are the things that we have kept inside the first aid kit. So these are ORS packs. I'm very sure you all know this is if at all we are feeling tired, this is good. Also a fellow rider had advised me that if you are taking ORS and electrolytes every day, you'll be fresh in the evening, or else it is going to be very very dehydrating for you to ride, especially when in the heat. This is some karpur which will be used when we are arriving at Leh or during the ride, because this helps in breathing when we are in the high altitudes. So this is karpur, and this is a antiseptic cream from Himalaya, which can be used for cuts, etc. This is a Brasol, again of Himalaya, and this is used for nasal. It is a nasal drop. This is a roll-on, and this is used for headache and those kind of things. Now this is a pain spray. Again, Amardanjan is a company that we use, and this is used for joint pains or anything that if there is any ache that can be used. These are just plaster. This is a crepe bandage which can be used for any injuries. This is called a micropore, and this is again a plaster, type of plaster. This is Dettol wipes in case we need to wipe any wound or something. These are band-aids, and Odomos in case of mosquitoes, and this is betadine. This is an ointment that can be used in wounds. This is a stockinette which can be used for dressing purposes, and this is a gauze bandage. So these are the things in first aid kit that we have kept. And there is one more thing. There is a cotton roll which can be used for bandaging again. Now guys, coming to this medicine kit, I'll just show you. So these are the medicines that we have kept. Of course, we have the inhaler. We have one Dettol, Vicks, Vaseline, again an Odomos, different one, some gel, and painkillers, stomach upset medicines, few Ayurvedic medicines. So guys, as I told you, just make sure that you visit your doctor, and you have to get his advice, and ask him, tell him that you are going on a trip like this and what all you should have. So it is up to you to go see a doctor and find out. Okay, so these are the medicines. So let us move on to the next category.
So here are some of the essentials that I am carrying for the dresses, and this one is I am carrying one legging and a jegging with me, two cotton tops because the climate is mostly hot, so that's why I am carrying these two. Then I am carrying two UV protect bunions also, extra to layer myself because we are going on a bike and it is extreme hot climate, so it will be needed. And also two t-shirts. I'm carrying one for wearing in the hotel room, two tights, and some headbands, also an external jacket. just in case if needed. And I'm also carrying some of the makeup essentials, which normally I included waterproof items like waterproof foundation, waterproof eyeliner, etc., and lipstick, and some of the essentials only. So these are included inside this packet, and this is how I am going to travel.
So guys, these are my clothes that I am going to take. So I'll just show you what all I'm carrying. So this is a pant. So guys, this pant you can it is a rough use pant, so it is not heavy as jeans. So that is the reason I got 2 underwears that will be carrying with me. 1 belt. So this also I have taken this belt so that it is easy to pack. So this is a tights that I have chosen to wear under my riding pants. This is a second tights. This is a t-shirt. This is a trouser that can be used for wearing inside the hotels where we are staying. This again, 1 more t-shirt. So these are the things that I will be taking. 2 t-shirts, 2 tights, 1 trouser, 2 underwears, and 1 pants. These are some of the thermal wears that we are taking along with us. This is actually 4 pairs of socks in this, and we have 1 more bag, 1 extra bag in this, just in case. Also, these are the balaclavas that there are around 4 balaclavas that we have taken along with the socks. These 2 are puffer jackets which are available at Decathlon now. This is a lightweight, and it gives a protection, I think, up to -5 degrees. So this will be very helpful. These are the inner thermals that this is for me actually. These both of these, top and bottom, and this is a muffler which goes around your neck. This is a shawl for my wife. These are 2 hats for me. This is the inner for my wife. This is her hat, and these are gloves, both inner pair and outer. Now these are waterproof, so this will be useful when we are there and in Leh, and this will also protect us from the cold. And these guys are warmies. It is called warmies, and these are used for warming yourself in case it is too cold. So we will be staying, I think, in Serchu, a place where it will be very cold, and this might be useful then. Now these are some of the moisturizer and face wash, etc., face pack, etc., which my wife has packed. I wouldn't know what this is actually, so you'll have to ask her. So these are our thermal wears. This is my tank bag, and I'll just show you what all are there in this. So I'll start from the main pocket. Okay, these are my riding gloves. This is a pack of biscuit. This is a thermal blanket in case of emergency. Again, this is again a toilet seat cover. This is my balaclava. This is a knife. As an extra bag just in case. These are my goggles. This is a extra power bank and cable. Actually, this cable is for that Parani communication system. So I just kept it here. These are the lube, chain cleaner, and the WD-40. So this is what I use. An extra towel just in case. This is an extra rain jacket. This is a net bungee. This is another mask, simple one. And these are the covers of Mad Dog Alpha lights that I have, and this is for the adjusting the RAM mount on my bike. Now this is a multi-tool. This is actually from Decathlon. This was used for my cycle actually, but I can use this for my bike also now, motorbike also. And this is for that front tire of Versus has a particular type of nut that needs to be used, and it is not available everywhere. So I'm just carrying this along with it. I'll show you the other part. Now this I have some sanitizers, mask, gloves, etc. in this, and this one will have a thread locker just in case. Some emergency lights like this one, and one USB light, some pictures of ours, and that's it. So this is what is there in this. I'll just show you what is there in this bag. This is actually, I have to thank Captain Shankar for lending me this. This is actually his. He has given me because he knew that I'm going to travel. So all thanks to him. So I've just kept a few other things that in this. This is the tire inflator that he has given me. This is a funnel, collapsible funnel, just in case. And this is the tool that I was talking about, which can be used along with this to take that front tire off the versus. These are some extra nuts and bolts, and along with the thread lock once again. These are fuses for the bike, just in case. So I've kept all these in this. So guys, this is this I bought from Amazon. This is actually a tire puncture kit, and what it includes is pliers, some gloves for working. These are the things used for changing the tire. I'm very sure you all know what this is. This can be bought from Amazon if you are interested. This should be filled with soap water, but I have another bottle, so I just kept it empty. So this is from Amazon that I bought. So guys, this is Rhinox jacket and Mototech pants. This is the rain gear that we have, and we also have this boot cover, waterproof boot cover. This is for my wife because her shoes is small, so there are chances of water getting into it. So we have just bought this also for her. These are my rain gear. This is again Mototech pants and Rhinox jacket. I have a waterproof and cold weather gloves, and this is another jacket. This is from IFMR. Those guys have sent me their jacket also. So this is our rain gear. These are some surgical gloves that we have. This will be useful when riding in the cold weather. And these are some bungee cords that we have. These are the toiletries that we are carrying. Some shower gel instead of soap. And we have moisturizer, we have shampoo, toothpaste, brush, obviously, and conditioner. This is for washing clothes because we have taken, as you have seen, we have taken only very few clothes, so we'll have to wash those. We have deo, we have powder, we have scissors, etc. So those are the things in this. Nail cutter, obviously. So that's it. Okay guys, we have completed the packing, and now just want to tell you that there are few more things that you should be packing. That is the papers of your bike, RC paper, you need your license, you need a pollution certificate and insurance certificate. So these are the 4 mandatory things that you have to carry. RC book, license, you have to have the original ones. If you have that Parivahan, there's an app Parivahan, and you can use that, and all the things will be uploaded there. Then some police officers accepts that, but some do not, so you have to carry both. Then you will have to have, if you have vaccinated, you have to take your vaccination certificate, also your Aadhaar cards or any other ID cards. If you are going as a couple, you need your marriage certificate, then fitness certificate if need be, and yes, RT-PCR also you have to do in this current situation, because and again this also some people accept 48 hours RT-PCR once they accept, but sometimes they do not. So you'll have to, it is according to that state, so I cannot tell which state accepts what, so that you have to check before you go. Also e-passes you have to take care. So these are the things that I would suggest that you have extra than this. So that's it regarding the papers.
So guys, this is my backpack. This will be my essentials will be inside this one. So this is a spray for disinfecting any surface. This is a pepper spray, and also this is another spray for toilet seat sanitizer. So these are the 3 main sprays used, and then there is also a paint spray and that is and there is also one knife, if necessary, it has to be used. Then another one is a hand towel, 2 of our ID cards with our names, our phone number, our blood group, our address, and our emergency contact number. So that is that. Then a scarf, a cap, a rain cap, gloves for the hands, and these are some of the essential food items in case of emergency. If we don't find anything, if just we are getting warm water, we can use these things. This is an upma cover, and there are soup covers. These are just if necessary we can use it. And these are some of the soap bars in a tablet form for frequent hand washing. And this is also a pulse oximeter. I'm carrying one because we are going to high altitudes. And this is an SPF 60 plus sunscreen should be used. It is very necessary. It is to be it must be SPF should be 60 plus. Then sticker bar, and again a hand sanitizer, earplugs, and for rehydration, an electrolyte should be carried. This is very necessary because we are continuously riding on a bike. Dehydration is going to happen, so to prevent that, it is very necessary. And there's my ATM card. Then tissue papers, menstrual cup, wet wipes, N95 mask, surgical mask, any other mask you have can use. Then combs, sanitary napkins, and toilet seat cover, some headbands, for just to add the style, because I'm always going to wear the helmets and nothing else is over. So whenever I get a chance to remove the helmet, I can wear this. So again, hand sanitizers, very important. So that's it. Thank you.